everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you how I installed this wig. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. This wig is from YGwigs. I received a 20-inch 13x6 body wave highlighted wig, and here I'm showing you how everything looks once I first received it. So as you can see, the wig is constructed very well, and after I finished washing and air drying the wig, I took my curling iron and I added a few curls into it. So today I decided I didn't want to use any lace glue, and I also didn't want any baby hair with this install. So I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting off the extra lace, and all I'm doing is following the hairline. So I usually do this part first, but I forgot. I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting off the extra lace that's by my ears. So here is a close-up of the hairline. As you can see, it looks really good. I forgot to mention that I did not pluck the hairline or do anything to it. I left it just the way it came. Now I'm taking my hairspray and I'm applying it to the lace. And then after that, I'm taking my melting band and I'm going to apply it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is going to help the lace melt into my skin. So after I remove the band, I'm going to recurl my hair because I curled my hair like 4 days ago before I decided to install it. So I'm going to refresh the curls. So then after that, I'm taking my wide tooth comb and I'm going to comb out the curls, and this is the final look. I will insert some photos so you can see like how gorgeous this color is, because my camera always picking up, like, it does this wig no justice. So I'm going to insert some photos so you guys can see. So this color is gorgeous and the hair is very soft. The lace on this unit is amazing. I really love how thin and how easy it is to blend. Like, it just melts into my skin. But yeah, so I will have all the information down below in the description bar, so you can go ahead and check YGwigs out. This unit is gorgeous. If you don't want to, you know, color your hair on your own, they did an amazing job with this. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.